How to apply for Amazon Prime Visa card with or without Prime. Hey everybody, if you would like to apply for an Amazon Prime Visa card, which does not require Prime usually for the Amazon Visa, you may follow up the steps. So you need to head over to your browser and directly head over to Chase Bank's website. So you can head over and look out for Chase Bank website, which is chase.com. Open it up on your screen. Now, once you open it up, the process is online, particularly online, and you will be receiving an instant decision in most cases. So, once you are in the Chase Bank's website, you can basically carefully review the offer details, including the welcome bonus and other benefits before you apply. So, from here, you may just head over the login page and log in into your Chase. And once you are there, what you can do is you can just complete the application form and submit it for the review. You will need to provide your personal information like your name, address, income, and social security number. If approved, you will be receiving an instant decision. If not, you will be notified after Chase completes the review process, usually between 2 to 4 weeks. If approved, you will be directed to a page with card member agreement and other important account information and review these documents. And if you applied for the Prime Visa, and if you were not already a Prime member, the thing is you will need to join the Prime membership to get the 5% cashback and everything. And then you can just go ahead and look out for Prime Visa within Chase Bank. And if approved instantly, you will be able to use the card information to start shopping on Amazon.com right away, even before the physical card arrives. And that is it. So that way you can apply for the Amazon Prime Visa card following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.